Hello, wonderful people. It's your boy Steven. It's a wonderful day, a blessed day for us to enjoy the glad experience, the fullness of life. Another new business opportunity. Tread softly, tread softly. The market cap is getting up. It had gone below $300 billion. Now it is at 353 billion. Bitcoin is up 18.65%. Today is the 6th day of February. Things are changing up, things are becoming better. So yeah, these things, volatility is too high, anything can happen. So when you jump here, just know anything can happen. BitClub promises to help you increase your Bitcoin, and what they say they do is that they deal with forex and currency exchange. Excuse me. So basically, you give them your money and they work with your money and they pay you with your money while you still do your sleeping. So far, so good. In 60 countries, 80,000 memberships, and we're moving forward. I will highly recommend, but not really highly recommend, but I'll just tell you, just click on the link and check for yourself. Choose for yourself, because anything can happen on this space. But for them that risk, sometimes things get good. I am in. Let me tell you, I get like $3 a day, and this one is money transferred to another person. So basically, this is what we get per day. Every month they deduct some money, but this is what I get per day, and they're different levels. There's the client pack, there's the basic, there's bronze, silver, gold, premium, black, master, VIP, depending with how much you have, and they pay you on a daily basis. Withdrawal is on the 1st and the 15th of the month, but you can transfer money to members or within cash out. But to send money to your wallet, you have to wait for the 1st or the 15th of the month. So this is BitClub Advantage. They say they do what they do. We just get in by faith. We don't know who they are. We don't know what they do. But we are ready to make the risk. So if you think this is good for you, link on the description, and let's make money while you sleep. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. God bless you.